first time being on YouTube, I hope you subscribe and leave a like down below. And today we're going to drive this helicopter that I put it the wrong way. And now we're going to start the video. The helicopter takes some time to fly, and the helicopter's flying. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe and watch my channels and leave a like down below.